Good morning, everyone. This is Emma. It is Coloring Party Monday, Coloring with Friends. It is hosted by Grandma Sandy. So come along with me on this windy day as I show you my colorings for Monday. My first one here is God is my rock in whom I take refuge. The second one I have here is Chords, color, cut, and write a message on the back. The first one, say, may God bless you. Sing for joy. Where God guides, He provides. Where the will of God leads you, the grace of God will keep you. The two cards I have colored today, rejoice in the Lord and God loves you. The wind is blowing, so I'm trying to keep it from blowing them off my table here. And what I'm going to show you here is a coloring book that I did purchase from Amazon. It is called Interior Design Coloring Book. This one comes from Amazon, and I'm just going to show you a couple of pages inside the book. I really didn't like this one much. But if you remember, I told you they do have the ones that are interior and exterior. I'll show you again what it looks like in case you may be interested. Okay. And my coloring book here is the Psalms in Coloring Book, Reflect, Relax, and Rejoice. And it is Christian art. And I purchased this at Ross's. And I think I paid like $5 for it. Here's another one that I had previous colored. And it says, Great is the Lord, Psalms 35:27. I want to thank Grandma Sandy for inviting me to be a part of her Coloring Monday. I also want to thank the design team for coming along with me today on this Coloring Monday. And if you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to ring that bell. This is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.